Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to rebate on 22bet. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in 22bets.me. Once you type it in, you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this button where it says registration. And after you get your account, click on this button. Once you click on it, this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, you'll have to enter your login credentials, and in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have entered the detail, click on this login button. And once you're logged in, you can go to any sports that you want to bet. Then click on the match. After that, select your odds. Once you have selected your odds, enter your stake on the right hand side. Then click on place a bet. Before placing a bet, rethink it because you still have a chance to change your bet. If you don't want to bet on this, all you have to do is click on this cross icon. Then you can still choose another odd, but once you have clicked on this button where it says place a bet, you won't be able to change it. But there is still a hope. What you can do is click on this message icon, then contact 22bet member and ask them to change your bet. In this way, you can rebet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.